They are expensive to make and develop. If you think creating a timepiece is easy, you could not be further from the truth. A team would spend hours or days on a problem that has already been solved. They, however, wish to do in different way, different enough to call the piece their own. In this world of technology, high-skilled micro-mechanical engineers plot over watches for new module and movement on the computer before creating them. The movement of watches are not only costly to dream up, but it also costly to get them to work and lots of time. They use high quality material. It is not only design and pattern that make armored Piguet stand out from the rest, but armored Piguet watches also stand out because of the rich material and techniques used while creating them. Their movements are not cheap when it comes to high-end unique mechanical movement. Their movements are not cheap when it comes to high-end unique mechanical movement. The price can be tens of thousands of dollars. Due to complex movement, the high-end watches are made in limited quantities to match the needs of its specific. Low quantities equal high prices. When a company produces timepieces in thousands or even million, the initial cost of tooling and development can be disturbed in each piece. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet, blue dial with silver tone hand and index hard marker, scratch resistant sapphire crystal, screw down crown, case diameter 41 mm, case thickness 9.5 mm, band material stainless steel, band color white, dial color blue, calendar perceptual calendar, dial type analog, movement automatic, round shape case, water resistant 200 meter, glass sapphire glass, dial blue, glass Ford glass material steel, stainless steel case with a brushed stainless steel bracelet, fixed 22 kT white gold bezel, silver grand timepiece dial with silver turn hand and stick hard marker, minute marker around the outer rim, dial window material type scratch resistant sapphire, display type analog, glass 4 diver glass with push button, case material stainless steel 37 mm, band material stainless steel, band color gold, white, silver, dial color silver, bezel material fixed, calendar date, movement Swiss automatic, water resistant depth 50 meters. Bezel with linear texture and chronograph push button are made of ceramic, matte black dial with a top. Case size 44 mm, case thickness 15 mm, water resistant 100 meter, movement automatic, case material titanium, bracelet material rubber, bracelet color black, glass buckle. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet, fixed stainless steel bezel, minute marker around the outer rim, item shape octagon, dial window material type scratch resistant sapphire, display type analog, glass deployment glass with push button, case material stainless steel, case diameter 41 mm, case thickness 10 mm, band material stainless steel, band color white, dial color black, bezel material fixed stainless steel, calendar date, movement Swiss automatic, water resistant depth 50 meter. The watch has a chronograph, analog time reporting, smart second, and date functionality. It has a water resistance of 50 meter, item shaped round, dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire, display type analog, glass foldable glass, case material rose gold, case diameter 41 mm, case thickness 11 mm, band material leather, band color blue, dial color blue, bezel material rose gold, calendar date, special feature chronograph, movement Swiss automatic, water resistant depth 100 meter. Not expensive at all but very functional. I highly recommend this watch to anyone who wants to up their watch games. It's popular with men and it is produced in a variety of finishes to suit any style. The strap is also much better quality than usual. It looks just stunning. The bracelet is quality amazing. I can easily read this watch, comfortable and easy to use, functions smoothly and is very easy to set up. Beautiful build quality, very stylish and pleasant to wear. I would highly recommend this watch to anyone. They give a little bit of personality and extra style to this already wonderful design. This watch makes some of the finest automatic watches in the world. A silver tuned stainless steel circular case surround to a crispy navy blue dial complete with three sub-dial, silver tone stick indexes, and date display between 4 and 5 o'clock. Item shape round dial window material type mineral display type analog glass deployment glass case material stainless steel case diameter 41 millimeter, case thickness 11 millimeter, band material stainless steel, band length men's standard, band width 20 millimeter, band color silver, dial color blue, bezel material stainless steel, bezel function stationary calendar date, special features screw down crown, shock resistant, water resistant, movement Japanese quartz, water resistant depth 100 feet, item shape round, dial video material type mineral display type analog, class deployment buckle, case material stainless steel, case diameter 43 millimeters, case thickness 9 millimeters, band material stainless steel, band length 8.5 inches, band width 21 millimeters, band color silver, dial color gray, bezel material stainless steel, bezel function, stationary calendar date, special features, date display, movement Japanese quartz, water resistant depth 100 feet, aimed at a new generation of fast fashion consumer, an accessible collection offering urban individual style. Urban Exchange defines a new dress code with a collection that takes its cue from urban lifestyle and music culture. Item shape round, tile window material type mineral display type analog, case material stainless steel, case diameter 46 millimeter, case thickness 10.9 millimeter, band material stainless steel, band length 10 inches, band width 22 millimeter, band color black, dial color black, bezel material stainless steel, bezel function unidirectional, movement Japanese quartz, water resistant depth 100 feet. Not expensive at all but very functional. I highly recommend this watch to anyone who wants to up their watch games. It's popular with men and it is produced in a variety of finishes to suit any style. The strap is also much better quality than usual. It looks just stunning. The bracelet is quality amazing.